Good morning, student. In our previous period, we started second exercise, answer the following questions, and in that we completed up to question 10 and answer 10. Okay, so now we moving on further, we are going to start question 11. So before I start writing, you people also be ready with me. Okay, so question 11, that is, what do many people believe about animals having a sixth sense? So what other people's believe for this? So write down, as we are doing unit 2 workbook portion, and in this second exercise, in this question 11, what do many people believe about animals having a sixth sense, Okay, so that means different ideas are given for that animals having a sixth sense in our chapter. Yes, so what generally people believe about this? So write down answer. Many people believe that animals possesses a sixth sense and know the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. Okay, so our question is that what do many people believe about animals having a sixth sense, what they think about this, okay, their views. So the many people believe that animal possesses a sixth sense and know the earth is going to shake, means before this thing is going to be happen, before that they comes to know that something is went to happen wrong, okay, went to wrong. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster along before humans realize what's going on. Yes, so something about the animals' hearing we learn in our science also. Yes, in your classes in 8th or 7th standards or maybe in 6th, means you can something learn about the hearing of the animals. So yes, this thing is means experts believe in this thing, that animals comes to know whatever, if something is went to happen wrong, then they come to know about this situation in previously. Yes, and if we see in the story that our chapter tsunami, in that thing also, if we see the rating of that animal died, that is too less in comparison to the human being. So something means they come to know about this thing previously and they shifted themselves to some other place. Yes, then after next one, write down next question 12, write down where is the Yala National Park? What animals can you see there? Answer: the Yala National Park is in Sri Lanka. It is home to It is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, then leopards, and 130 species of birds. So where is the Yala National Park situated and what animals can you see there? So our answer is the Yala National Park is in Sri Lanka. It is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. Okay. Then after, so here this second exercise is complete. Now give heading next one. So write down 3, rewrite each sentence correctly. Rewrite each sentence correctly. So now see, some sentences are given and what we have to do, whatever the mistake is there in the given sentences, we have to find it out and then again we have to note down the same sentence with the correct, okay, with the correct one. Okay, so write down first one. He walked everyone up. Answer. He woke up everyone. Then after 2, Sanjeev jumped in the water. Answer. Sanjeev jumped into the water. The next one, 3, Almaz Javed was 10 years old. So the next one, answer for 3, write down Almaz Javed was 10 years old. All the sentences are, we read it in our chapter. Okay. Then after next one, fourth, she spent 2 days float in the sea. So what we have to do, we have to correct the given mistake in the given sentence. She spent 2 days floating in the sea. She spent 2 days floating in the sea. Then after next one, 5, she was brought to the shore by wave. So correct sentence is, she was brought to the shore by a wave. Okay. Then next one, next sentence 6, Tilly Smith was a 10 years old school girl. Okay, so write down, Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. See students, these all sentences we read it in chapter. Okay, so that's why whenever the chapter is going on or whenever the chapter is finished, you have to read it the chapter 1-2 times properly, because some questions are based on the chapters also. Yes or no? When such type of things are given, if we read it the chapter properly, then it is too easy for us. Okay, now next one, 7, the beach was becoming small and smaller. Small and smaller. So write down answer. The beach was becoming smaller and smaller. Small and smaller, not smaller and smaller. Then after, next one, write down her grandfather was hit on the head by something. Write down her grandfather was hit on the head by something. Okay. Now see, next exercise 4, match the parts to make compound words. Okay, so you people just pay attention for 1 minute in your workbook. A compound word is a word made of 2 or more words or parts of words, that is compound words. Okay, now see, we having words up to 12. Yes, that much words are given. Now what we have to do, we have to match, because if you notice that 2 sides are given words. Yes, so we have to match it, and then after we have to write down in the given space. Now see, what I am going to do, I am not going to write down all this, that words, the 2 columns given. Okay, I am write down direct answer, so you people just note it direct answer. You have to note it down as it is given, both the sides, and then after you have to answer. One example I am going to write on a board, and then accordingly you have to write down other. Okay, so next exercise 4. You people are able to write down the question as it is given. Yes, that much you are able. So you have to note it down from the workbook. 4th one, C. 4th, it is match the parts to make compound words. Now we have to match 2 parts to make compound words. We know very well that compound word is a word made up of 2 or more words or parts of words. Yes, the clear definition is given. Okay, now see, first one, it is given up and girl. In this way it is given. Okay, now here for first, space is given. Now here second, whatever it is given, you people just complete this two sides as it is given in our workbook. Okay, now I am here, write down all the answers. Okay, clear? So first one, that is up girl. So now what we have to do, we have to match this column with the given this column, match in such a way that we can make a proper compound word. So first one here, uproot. Then after second word here given out. So match out here with any word, proper word that make a proper compound word. Outdoor. Okay, then 3, then 4, 5, 6 up to 12, we having a 12 columns. Clear? So you note it down that both the two columns. Then after here, I witness. Third word it is given I here. So we match I to this side and make a proper compound word. Then after next one, fourth answer is for warm. Then after next one, landslide. Then sixth one, whirlpool. I think you people are clear what you have to do in our workbook. Two columns are given, so you people just note it down. Okay, and then what we do, up. So now we match up with this side with the proper word that we can make a proper compound word. So if we match up with here with the word given root. So up, root, this is the compound word. Okay, now then after whatever the instructions I am giving here, you have to follow that properly. You have to note it down the question properly from your workbook. Then next one. Okay, so student, why I am doing in this way, that I am not writing some questions, because I think that you people are that much able that you can note it down the question from your workbook. Okay, so in some exercise, if I feel that there is no need to write down questions on a board, then I can instruct you in this way, and you have to note it down the question properly from your workbook. Okay, and pay attention for that. Yes, so in this period up to this much I stop here. As I instruct in this exercise, you have to do in that way only. Okay, now further we will continue in our next period. Thank you. Goodbye.